Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all perfect diet plan for weight loss from breakfast to dinner which can help you lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now this diet plan is a proper foolproof plan which helps you to lose weight, at the same time gives you good fat loss benefits along with lots of protein, fiber and good complex carbs, and which does not make you starve at all. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a huge weight loss transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with perfect diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Proceeding with our early morning drink. As soon as you wake up, it is very important for your body to hydrate itself. So you need to have at least 2 glasses of normal lukewarm water, or you can even have ajwain water or coriander seeds water or methi seeds water. Now all these seeds and herbs, they do play a vital role in your digestive system, and hence it is important to at least start your day with some lukewarm water. 15 to 20 minutes after this drink, you should always consume some nuts. Now these are soaked nuts. I always prefer to have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer. It helps you to detoxify your system. At the same time, it also gives you good amount of vitamin E and protein. So always make sure to have your nuts after your early morning drink. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for perfect weight loss diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now for breakfast, we'll always choose best options for ourselves, which is high protein and high fiber options. Now taking protein in your breakfast helps you to reduce the sugary food intake during the entire day and also gives you good boost of energy to carry on the complete day very successfully. Now for breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options out there which are high in protein and high in fiber as well. The first option is my personal favorite and works always wonders for each and every client of mine: sandwich. Now why sandwich? First, it's easy to carry. Second, it's quick to make, and third, it's very fulfilling as well and people enjoy it the most. So I have lots and lots of sandwich recipes on my channel which you can have for your breakfast. I'm talking about spinach corn sandwich, club veggie sandwich, paneer sandwich or banana peanut butter sandwich. Check out all the recipes on the screen right now and you can follow any recipe to the T and enjoy your tasty delicious breakfast option. Along with that, you can have a cup of tea or coffee, but do not add any kind of sugar to it at all. You can even have a cup of green tea along with it. Second option is for all my vegetarians out there who can consume eggs for their breakfast, so you should definitely consume eggs. You can have eggs in the form of veggie omelette, or you can even have them boiled or scrambled as per your own convenience. But always make sure to use at least 3 eggs, in which you use 2 egg whites and 1 yolk. It gives you good protein, calcium, all the essential nutrients and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Along with that, you can again have a cup of tea or coffee or green tea as per your own preference. Now third option is for all my desi food Indian lovers out there. Now if you want to have something very fulfilling and warm at the same time, you can always choose either a beetroot poha. Now the complete recipe of my beetroot poha is again up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super high in fiber and protein as well, because we do incorporate lots of peanuts to it and vegetables as well. So you can follow the complete recipe of peanut beetroot poha and enjoy the benefits of it. You can have a cup of tea or coffee along with it or green tea as per your own choice, but no sugar to be added of any kind to your tea or coffee or any beverage. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which is optional. Mid-morning snack comes between breakfast and lunch, so whoever feels hungry during this time, so you can consume either a fresh coconut water, approximately 200 ml of it, or you can even have any fruit of your own choice. Seasonal fruit, be it guava, banana, apple, orange, berries, strawberries, whatever it is. Consume a good portion of it and we proceed towards our lunch options for perfect weight loss diet plan. Now of course, before lunch, we always prefer to have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Now this basically helps your blood sugar levels to not spike when you consume your lunch. At the same time, detoxifies your system very quickly and gives your body a balance in the pH levels as well. So you can always have this 1 hour before your lunch. Now proceeding towards our lunch options, I'll give you 3 options for your lunch which are high in fiber, high in protein and great for your gut health as well. Now the first option is you can always have either any multigrain roti. Now you can prefer ragi roti, oats roti, bajra, jawar, jaw, whatever is reasonably available at your place. You can use that flour to make chapati, basically millet flour. At the same time, you can have any seasonal vegetable along with it. Now always prefer to add some greens to your vegetables, be it loki, ghia, bhindi, beans, whatever it is. Always make sure to add some greens to it, and along with that you can have a good full bowl of curd or yogurt that is homemade, and lots of salad which includes cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, and make sure the salad bowl is a good full bowl of it. Now let's proceed towards our second options for all my rice lovers out there. Whoever wants to or likes to consume rice during their lunchtime, you can always consume it, but in a healthy manner out there. So we are preparing here veggie pulao. As you can see, I'm adding lots and lots of vegetables to this pulao, be it beans, peas, carrot, potato, whatever it is. Make sure to use a good portion of your vegetables, and the portion of rice is supposed to be less. So you can use 60 grams of rice and more of your vegetables to prepare a good full meal out of it. Along with that, we have good load of curd or raita, and plus lots of salad again, which includes cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, and a good full bowl of it. Proceeding towards our third option for lunch, which is you can have either 2 plain dosas or 2 ragi dosas or 1 ragi ball. For all my South Indian lovers out there, you do not have to add any kind of masala to it, because let's just avoid those unnecessary carbs. But yes, you can also have a good full bowl of sambar or dal along with it, and plus coconut chutney, because of course it's mandatory when it's South Indian food. Along with that, always make sure to consume a good full bowl of salad again, which includes cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, and yes, a good full bowl of it, definitely to make sure that yes, you are good in your fiber intake and do not feel constipated throughout the day. And now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between lunch and dinner. For all those who feel hungry during this time, you can always consume a cup of matcha tea or green tea. Now 1 cup of detox matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and great for those who want to lose weight fast, lose their belly fat fast, and also promotes good skin benefits as well. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of either high protein seed mix, which includes all the necessary antioxidants, nutrients, vitamins, and necessary seeds as well, like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flex seeds. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 30 grams of roasted makhanas or 30 grams of roasted peanuts. Now this gives you energy boost also. At the same time, calcium is very important to be consumed throughout the day for our joints as well. So makhana gives you that. Now let's proceed towards our dinner option for the perfect weight loss diet plan. For dinner, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is for all my soup lovers out there. Now whoever loves and wants to have soup during this season, then you can always have either they can have tomato zucchini soup or all veggie soup, or you can even have lemon coriander soup. In this season, lemon coriander soup is the best choice because it gives you a boost of vitamin C and tastes yum as well. So you can have either of these recipes, or you can have the second option, which is either you can have a moong dal chila. Now the recipe of my complete moong dal chila is sitting up on my channel, which is super easy to prepare and high in protein, fiber, and promotes good weight loss as well. So you can use the recipe of moong dal chila. You can have 1 or 2 moong dal chilas as per your own hunger pangs, along with some mint chutney or raita as per your own choice. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which comes after our dinner, which is very important before you go to bed. Always make sure to have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now this basically helps to relieve all the stress of the entire day, and also people suffering from insomnia or do not get good sleep throughout the night, you can always use this tea for better benefits as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always switch yourself to either ajwain water or jeera water. Now this basically helps to remove all the water retention, bloating, or swelling of any kind, and promotes good weight loss as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to give you good boost of hydration, skin benefits, collagen boosting properties, and also to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.